In this pandemic, when mask and sanitizer has become one of the most essential commodities, why don't we all start making this mask? Let us learn and we will find happiness by accomplishing the task. So let us do it. This is Sumita Paul, Principal of St. Stephen's School, Birati, welcomes you in Sumita Speaks. In this platform, we talk about mental well-being, lifestyle, education, teaching methodology, other activities. Friends, to make a mask like this, so friends, we have to first take a paper, A4 size paper, and I have already made a rectangle. This is the top portion, top of a fabric. I am going to make a template first. 18 centimeter length and breadth will be 13 centimeter. And after that, we'll do the measurement. Okay. So top portion. So basic structure I have already done it so that we'll not have a problem. So from there 1 centimeter distance, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Touch it. Now from here, do the free hand. So I have done it, finish it. And from there you have to just do the free hand. So friends, I think yes, the template is now ready. Only thing is I have to cut it. Okay, so all the measurements are given. You can see it from the picture. I will be giving the picture separately. It will not be a problem for you, and the template will now, after cutting, it will look like this. So this is the template after you cut it, and it will look like this. Okay, and then you can use so friend, this is the fabric I have selected to make the mask, and this is the template which is ready. Now I'll spread it, the fabric. This is how I'm going to spread, and on top of this I'm going to keep the template. This is the ready template. I have cut it from all sides, and friends, this is how you have to keep it. For seaming allowance, you have to leave some fabric for seaming allowance. So there I will keep it like this. The direction of the fabric also you have to understand. You should not cut putting it like this. The direction should be from the top side. So from the edge you have to start cutting. Friends, now you have to select the wrong side, and from the wrong side you have to start sewing it. So I've selected the wrong part. This is the wrong side. Start sewing it. Little thread. So this is how we have to do it. I'm just giving a plain run stitch. After a long time I'm doing this. I'm a little slow on this now. So this is how you have to complete it. And this is the lining portion I'm doing it. Take both the wrong side together and fashion them with the help of all pin, so that it will be easier for you to sew it. So I'm once again starting from this end. Here I go once again. I'm going to do the run stitch only. This is how you have to, from the complete side, you have to make a round and finish it with the run stitch. So here I'm going. So with this we are coming to end of this project. Same run stitch we are doing. We are reaching the edge, the last part. So I have kept this opening. From there you have to bring out the right side out. So this way you have to take it. So after turning it, now this has become like this, parents. So you have to, if you've got iron, you can do the ironing part. This is the, yes, the extreme, this thing you can pull it with the help of your finger or nail. I don't have presently iron in front of me, so I am, with the help of my nails, I'm pressing it to make it look uniform and okay. So this is how. Yeah, the pillow cover also, when you are making, similar way you are making, no? So this is the way you have to make it. Now insert this to finish it up, and here this is the portion which will go near our ear, and we have to put the, we have to fold it like this, and this portion also fold it like this, and this is the rubber band we are having. You have to buy this rubber band and elastic, and you cut it, take two parts of 21 centimeters or 22 centimeters as per your ear size, your mask size. So 22 centimeter is okay. So after you stitch it like this, you can insert this here, here you can insert and then put a stitch, and this also stitch, and this will become. So I'll finish and again I'll show you. So friends, you have to make a loop like this. I have made on both the ends these loops, and I have already inserted the elastic. So this is how you have to insert the elastic. I'm doing it in a very primitive way. Friends, this is how. So friends, this is how the product has come out. It has come out so neat and so nice that I am also feeling so proud of myself. So small things really adds on to your life. Mothers and friends, if you can also make such kind of things, and you will also feel the same kind of feeling I am going through right now. I am feeling very content, very happy and fulfilled after accomplishing my project. In past a few months, I have also my forgotten hobbies. I am trying to relive with them, like drawing and all, and in my near coming videos I'm going to share on that also. So keep doing more activities, others and friends. So to this video, if you have liked, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And this is Sumita Paul signing off for today, till we meet again on another new video with lot of new activities and topics.